to Pro Stock 5700. Pro Stockers, I'm assuming you're lined up. There they are. Pro Stock. It's your last call. Now, Rex has done this before. Everything's hooking up to it. Speeding gallons at 38.
$362 and $8.